Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to use Grammarly for writing. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first things first, you have to go to any web browser and then type Grammarly. You have to click this very first link that you can see here. This is Grammarly. And then you can log in if you have an account or sign up if you don't have an account yet. So this time, I will tap on sign up with Google and answer a few questions here like tell us about yourself. You can select work, school, and so on. I work in, just select the category. Let's just say team member or manager. Everything is up to you. So let's pick manager and then choose whatever you want here. For example, creative content, papers, and so on. Actually, you can skip this part if you want to. Okay, so you can see here the application, let's just say Word, and then they will ask you to upgrade your plan. But for the tutorial, let's just choose the basic or free version. And now you can add your Grammarly to your extension. So click add extension here, and then once done, go to extensions and then pin Grammarly. So let me tap extensions and then pin this one, click this, and I should see the Grammarly right away. Now, in order for us to use this, all we need to do is tap on new document. You can paste the word or anything you want to paste here. Grammarly will automatically detect if there is something wrong with your word. So what you're going to do is you have to review Grammarly suggestions. And then for red, grammar or spelling mistakes. Blue, clarity, conciseness or word sentences. Green, tone suggestions, word choice, fluency, and purple, engagement or delivery improvements. Now you will see here also like you can change your writing goals. You can choose Grammarly tone detector. After that, you can download or copy and paste your Grammarly and paste it anywhere. You can also ask help from AI and check plagiarism. After that, you can now download and create a copy for this one. And that's how easy it is to use Grammarly for writing. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.